Hello, Yasser is here for the second time. So, concerning your question, I really don't understand what do you mean exactly with it. So, the question is there an option to drag manually instead of choosing numbers like a drawings drag tool? I've never used eDrawings drag tool. Anyway, we will try to do some further steps. No? Uh, so. This is our assembly carrier 01. We have the two configurations, 01 and the default one. So we create a new drawing from our assembly, new draft from the actual assembly. Okay. We could change the scale or let it like this, no problem, why not? Here under assistant, we could choose our new configuration, L1, click OK, and here you see that this part, the second part, is here disabled. I have done one modification. I will change it back and try to explain it to you. You have to go on your assembly with the right mouse button and property of occurrences, property or occurrences properties, I think in English, and I have changed this parameter. It was none, was default. Here is the quantity, personalized quantity, and default one is that all the parameters are negative. No? That means nothing has to be changed. So if you click on one of them, you see in your Pathfinder which part we are talking about. So where is the part that we have disabled? This is this one. So if I have created a new configuration where where S plate that par number 2 is disabled, so I don't need the quantity of this part. I will set it to 0. It's disabled, so the quantity of this part in the assembly has to be 0. Okay, here I could click on apply and then okay. So because I want to create a draft from this configuration, this the 01, where the S plate number 2 is disabled. Okay, this is our default one. Yeah, we switch to our draft, and this is our configuration 01. Build of material. I click on my draft, and here is my build of material. So, and here we see that this part, this is the number 2, and the quantity of number 2, this is S plate, is 1, because I have overridden the number of the parts. We could try to make more modification on the occurrences. I go with the right mouse button on carrier or on the name of the assembly and the occurrences properties, and you could change the quantity, personalized quantity to, I don't know, 5 for example. This is just the part number 2, the second one, and not the first one. Okay, apply, okay, and save. We switch to the assembly, and here you see that we have to update our view, and voila, the quantity is in this case 6. The part number 2 is this one, and the quantity is our override one, in this case is 6. So I change it back to the real number of this configuration. It means we have to set it to 0, apply, OK, Control S, save, and we switch to our draft, and we have to update our view, and the quantity of the plate, this is number 2, is now 1. So I hope I was able to explain what you are looking for, and if you have further questions, so no problem, you could just write me an email and we will see further. So have a nice day.